Hello, welcome to Ekido. We are trained future civil and structural engineer. My name is Justice Umaka. I am your instructor. Today, I will be showing you structural detailing after you're done with your Prota structure design. So once you're done with your design in Protastructure, the next thing to do right now is to extract all your details that was done in Protastructure, and then this is a customized template which is used to perform your full structural design after you are done with your design in Protastructure. As you can see that this is called a Stonebridge company detailing template. It is a template which is used to perform a structural detailing just after you are done with your design in Protastructure. So if you want to know more about this software, I would say you should just check on our videos about the software, or go and check in Google and then Google it too, and then you will see how perfect it is. Okay, so right now we will be continuing our slab detailing with this Stonebridge template. So right now, from the last time which we did the part one for the slab detailing using this template, so right now I want to continue from the part two of this slab detailing. So right now I'll just click on this tab, and then automatically it will open the template for like a detailing based on building on pad foundation, because this is still where we are. In the next videos, I will also show you for a building on a white strip foundation, and also a building on a pad on a beam wrap foundation, and a building on a slab wrap foundation. Okay, but for now we are still dealing on building on a pad foundation. So if you have done your design in Prota structure and your foundation or that building is sitting on a pad foundation, I would say you should use this one here. Okay, right now let me just maximize it. Right now it has opened in this place right now, AutoCAD. Okay, so right now for those of you who are still new on this software, let me just show you how we got to this very stage here. So you can see that this design was done. This let's just show this design was done in Protastructure, and then we use this template now perfect or what. Let me just zoom up to see. It's taking time to load. Let me just come up. Okay, let's just come up right now. So this full design was done in Protastructure, and then we use this Stonebridge template now perform the detailing. As you can see, this is the first floor beam and column layout, and then this is the first floor beam detail. Let me just come up. Okay, as you all know that the software that software Protastructure doesn't give you a good detailing. So this template right now gives you a good detailing, and also you can also see how to arrange it and then print it out. Okay, let me just go back to the model view right now, and then for the sake of those people who are still new on this template, let me just show you how it is being done. So I'll just go and open a folder that we have done before, that we have done the like a design in with the software Protastructure. So let me just go right now and then open the Prota folder, which is here. Okay, here. So right now, once you're done with your design in Protastructure, you come to the folder where it says exported file, as you can see it here, exported drawing. Then open the file that the Protastructure just exported for you. So right now, this is how the software gives you your detailing, just like this. So once you're done with your detailing, as you can see, it is not that good, but with the help of that template, which is this Stonebridge template, it will help you to now arrange all your details for you, and then make it very, very good. Because if you can print it like this, you will not be able to see it very well. But with the help of this software, it will be able to be nice. Okay, so right now I'll just copy this drawing right now. So once you're done with your design in Protastructure, and then you have also brought out your details, I will now say you should now copy it right now. Copy it into the Stonebridge template. So I'll just go right now and then copy it here. I'll just copy first, copy, and then go to this place now and then open your Stonebridge template. Now if you want this template, I'll say check on the link down below and download that. So open it right now. Since it's already open, it will look as if it's trying to open two, because as you can see, the first one there is already open, So I just want to show you how to do that. So this one here is already the first one, and this is the second one. So let me just continue just now. So let's just load up. It takes some time to load, less than some seconds. Let's just hold on for it. Okay, so right now, once it comes up right now, as you can see, then maximize it. Once it comes up just now, you just go to this place here and then paste your drawing on this place, on this rectangle area. So just come here right now and paste your drawing, which you have copied from the Protastructure, and then paste it inside here. So once you paste it just now, as you can see it here, so once you paste it, wait for some seconds, and then you will see how it have now optimized your drawing. As you can see, this was the one that came from Protastructure, as you can see it here, and this is the one that the software, which is the Stonebridge template, has now given us. You can see, and also you can also see your function layout and all that. But by the end of everything, when I'll show you how it will be, how the end of this thing will look like, this is how you will see your drawing being arranged. As you can see, the foundation layout here, and then the column details, as you can see it here, and then also you can see the columns and all that. Okay, and then also your slabs detailing also will be also okay, which I want to show you, and then your beam details also will be nice too. Okay, which I'm showing you right now for the slab detailing. Okay, so let me just take off this one which I just pasted here just now, and then begin the slab detailing, because I just pasted that just to show, maybe for the newcomers, how this template does. Okay, so right now I'll just close it again, because this thing is open too, so it's not nice. Let me just close this one, and then close this one too. I've already shown you how to copy your Protastructure detail into the Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now, so this is now the part two. This is now the continuation of our slab detailing. So if maybe you have missed the first video, I would say you should check on the link down below and watch all the videos about this template, and you will learn more how to use this template. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so right now I'll just go direct way right now, and then begin my slab detailing. So where we stopped last time on our slab detailing was now call out and also calculate these are numbers of our bars. So right now, in our last video, I showed you guys how to detail this slab perfectly, and we use all the principles involved in slab detailing. Okay, so right now, on this case right now, I'll be showing you how to now call out your how to now calculate your like a number of your rebars. Okay, so I'll just go here right now, and then click on this layer and say slab wrinkle, as you can see it here, slab wrinkle, and then click on enter, which is line. And I want to calculate this one now right now. So I'll just come here right now and then click on this, and then go out here and then click here. Okay, I can choose to extend this forward a bit, X enter, and then drag it up to this place and keep this here. Okay, that's nice. Then I'll just go here right now and then pick up this take this bob here, pick it up from this point, and come here and then point this bar, because I'm trying to call out this bar number. How many number of this bar is going to going to contain on this panel, on these two panels here. So right now I'll now go here, click on this to dimension, to check the distance between this place, cover to cover first, and then show this gives me 3833. So I'll just go right now QC, which means calculator, enter, and I'll say 3833 divided by the spacing. The spacing was already given to us from the design, which is 175. So 175, okay, and then equals to, that gives me a what 21.9. So I'll just say approximately 22. So right now I'll just go and copy this just now. Copy this from here first, and then put here right now and say 22. So if maybe at all you want this template, this Stonebridge template, I would say you check on the link down below and download that. Now, for you to know more about this template, I would say you just go to your Google and say Stonebridge template, and then you will see it on Google and watch all the videos about the Stonebridge template, or you can also check on our channel tools and then watch about the videos on how to use this template. Okay, so right now I will now come here. This is my B2, and I'll call here right now. This is now my B1. So I'll come here right now and call this B1. B1 simply means the first button reinforcement of the slab, and B2 is the second button reinforcement. So this one right now will now be the first one that they will lay during the construction, and this will now be the second one that they will lay on top during the construction also. Okay, so right now I will not continue again, and then I'll now come here right now. I'll just come here and then copy this right now. Copy this, come here a bit here, paste here, then I'll rotate it and then turn it and keep this here, and then come here right now, come to this place and keep this here, and then put it 22, which was calculated. Okay, that's fine. And then I'll just put there just now 22. Okay, 22. 22, yeah, that's nice. And then I'll now come again here, right? Let me now calculate for this other one here. So I'll check this again. Just first of all, bring that arrow, enter, and then I'll be very fast now so that I'll not waste much time on this video. Okay, so I'll go here right now and then put this here, and then go again right now, calculate this just now from this to this, cover to cover. That gives me 1911. Okay, 1911 divided by the cover, which is 175. Sorry, by the spacing of the reinforcement, which is 175, that gives me 10.9, which is 11 approximately. So I'll come here right now, copy this also, copy this right now, CO, copy this and then place this here and then put there the value to be 11. Okay, 11. And then this is my bottom reinforcement, which is B2 on this area. So this is now B2. This is B2. Sorry, B2. That's fine, yeah. Okay, so right now again, I'll go again right now, and then let me check for this one here. So I've checked for this other one, enter, and let me calculate for this one here. So I'll go here right now and then place this here. Okay, and then come here right now, check this length, this spacing where this reinforcement is running. I'll check that length, and then that gives me 6807. Okay, so I'll do 6807 divided by the spacing of the reinforcement which is running. So this gives me 38.89, which is approximately 39. So I'll go here right now and copy this just now, and this is now a top. Now don't forget, this is a top reinforcement. This one here is a top reinforcement along this continuous beam. Okay, so right now go here right now, copy this right now, copy this and place this here, and then come here right now and then put the value there, which is 39. Okay, and then come here and change it to since this is the main top bar. So I'll come here right now and put T1. Sorry, here T1. Most people used to put TT, so I'll just put T1 as, sorry, not small letter, capital letter, sorry, T1. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll now come here right now and now go and change this. My first bar mark here is 1, so I'll call here bar mark 2. Here becomes the bar mark 2. Now when you're calling bar mark, you just call different bar with different shapes, different bar mark name. But if you have the same bar that have the same length and the same shape, you call it the same bar mark. So but now I always advise you just name it differently so that you don't waste time on your bar mark naming or calling. Okay, but the right way is that when you have when you have a bar with the same length and also with the same width, the same length and the same shape, you call it a one bar mark. Okay, the same length, the same size, and the same shape, you call that bar one bar mark. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now we have called out this one, so I will now go again right now and then call out this one here. So I'll call out this particular one here, right? This one here right now. So I'll come here right now, enter, and then bring out a line from here, and then bring it out all the way down here. Okay, that's fine. And then bring this one out also first. Okay, that's fine. Out here also. Okay, now from this template, if you don't know how to do your slab detailing or do all this, you have a sample all down below this template here. You can just go and look at the sample of how they have done their slab, and then pick up those check it out here, and then you'll be able to do all your slab very well. Okay, and also you also see a sample of the slab here too. So they have different slab for you for different kind of buildings. Okay, that's why this template is very, very good. Okay, that's nice. So right now I'll go again right now for where I am, and then continue again right now. So I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy this first. No, let me just calculate first. Calculate this first right now from here to here. This is the bottom bar for this. So this is 889. So 889 divided by 200. That gives me 4.4, approximately 5. So, and this is the bottom. This is a bottom bar. This one here is a bottom bar, and this is bottom bar 2. So I'll come here right now, and then copy this right now, and then go over here, place this here, and then type this here, which is I got 5 as my this thing. Sorry, we had 889. Sorry, not we didn't do two. Our spacing is not 200, it's 175. So I'll just do it back. 889 divided by 175. That gives me 5.0 something. So I'll just approximately say 6. Okay, because you cannot have 5.1, so I'll just say 6. Okay, that's fine. And then call this bar mark 5. Okay, which is a straight bar, as you can see there. And then I'll now come here again right now, and then check for this other one here. This other one right now is a complete top bar, and is the main top bar, because since this is a cantilever here, this bar here is will help to take care of the top bar here. Now if you want to know how we got this top bar, I'll say check on the part 1 of this video, and you will learn about the top bar. Okay, that's fine. So right now again, I'll now go again right now and copy this. Just now copy this from here, CP or CO. Copy this now onto this place here, and then paste this here. Okay, that's fine. Paste this here, and then go here right now, and then copy this. Okay, first of all, I have to calculate this first. So I'll check this right now and calculate this here, the length at which this bar is containing or is being occupied, which is 3067. Okay, that's fine. So 3067 divided by 175, which is the spacing of the reinforcement. Okay, which now gives me 17.52. So I'll just say 18. So I'll just copy here right, and that's the top bar. So I'll copy here right now T1, and then copy from here, and then say 18. Okay, 18, and then put here to be bar mark 6. That's fine. Okay, so right now we will now go over to this place here. This is this one here right now, and then check for this also. Sorry, let me go and I don't know what was making this sound. Let me just turn that off. I don't know what making this sound right now. Okay, so right now I will now go and check for. We will now also check for this bar too right now. So I'll go here right now, I'll enter, and then bring out this call out line from this point. Bring out the call out line from this point right now, and keep this here. Okay, and then I will now check this. This is also a top bar. As you can see, this top bar is to contain. This is the main top bar for to take care of this area, this continuous beam. Okay, so I would now go and this is a main top bar, which is the main top bar reinforcement. So I'll go here and copy this first. Before okay, let me just first of all go and calculate how many lengths of this top bar is to be required on this space. So I'll just check here right now, and I got 6807. Okay, so QC enter, and then I'll just clear this, and then 6807 6807 divided by the spacing of the reinforcement, which is for the slab, which is 175, and that gives me 38, which is still 39. So I'll just come here right now, and then copy this right now, and then go over here, copy from here to this place, and then say here 39. Okay, 39, and then come here and put here to be 7. Okay, that's fine. And still tt. Okay, so I'll come again here, and then let me now calculate for this. Let me just check for the whole horizontal first. Come bring this one out now again. Okay, this out, and then this is the main bottom bar, as you can see it here, but this is B2, so this is B2. So I'll go here right now first and check for, okay, since I still have from check from here to here to see the length at which this bottom bar is being occupied, or is occupying 6807. Okay, so 6807 all over the spacing of the reinforcement 6807, which they gives to all over 175, which will give me see the same value as 39, sorry, so 39, but now it is a bottom bar and not top bar. So I'll just come here right now, copy this first, and then copy, since they have the same place around, so come put that here, and then change this right now to B. So this is B2, this is B2, sorry, this is B2 here. Okay, and I'll come here and change it now to be bar mark 8. Okay, that's fine. This is B2 because I picked it to be B2. Yeah, this is the main bottom reinforcement, and this is the bottom bar, this is the bottom bar distribution, this one here. Okay, now I will now come here right now, enter. Let me now call out this one here. I will now call out this main bottom bar line bar right now, and then call out how many numbers of this bar is here. Let me just copy this first from here. CP. Now, if you want this template, I would say you should check on the link down below. This template helps you a lot on your structural data after your design. Okay, so because everything here is being customized already for you. So right now, we're going right now, and then look at this from here now, from this point now to this point. What do we have here? We have 5633. Okay, that's fine. So 5633 divided by the spacing of bar of this of the slab, which is 175, that gives me 32, approximately to 33. So I'll come here right now, and this is the main bottom bar, which is B1. So I'll come here right now and then copy this down here and paste this here, and I'll call here right now 33, as you can see from our calculation there. That gives me, yeah, I'll call here bar max 9. Okay, and I'll call here B1. B1 is the main reinforcement for the bottom. Okay, this is fine. And then I'll now go right now and then begin to call out these other ones. I have not called out this now. Okay, let me not start from here right now. Okay, so I've called okay, now right now I have not called out all this. Okay, this one I've not called out this one. This is the main bottom bar for this taking care of this panel, this area here, this particular area here. Okay, so I'll call it out now right now. So I can call it out. If there is no space here to call out again, you also have the right to call out from this other point also and call it out here. That's fine. And then I'll just go and pick up right now a point, an arrowhead here to point it that is the bar I'm calling. So this arrow right now just says that what I am pointing at is is the bar that is running on this flow. Okay, and that bar is this bar, as you can see, this bar here. Okay, so right now I will now go and then check how this bar is running from here to here, and what length is that, and that gives me length of 3092. So 3092 divided by 175. Okay, that gives me 17.66. That's approximately 18. So that gives me 18 number of bar running on that line, and that is the main button. So I'll just go and pick one of B1. Now the reason why it look easy for me is because I have used this template over and over again. So I don't need for me to go and look at anything here. Okay, but if you're a beginner, I'll say that you will need these samples here a lot, because it will help you to guide you and everything. Okay, so right now I'll just go again right now and then put here and then place this one here. Okay, so that we got 18, so I'll come here and change it to 18 first. 18. Okay, and the last bar mark we have was a bar mark 9. Okay, so this will now be 10. This will be 10. Okay, and still B1, because B1, this one is the main bottom reinforcement. Okay, so I'll now go again right now, and then I can choose to push it backward a bit here, backward a bit if there, and then choose to reduce this. Okay, reduce this here. Okay, that's fine. And then we now go right now to now go and call out the top bar distribution, because we are done with the top, we are done with the main bottom bar and the bottom bar distribution now. And also we are done with the top bar. As you can see, the top bar, the main top bars here are these ones. We are done with them. So right now it's now time for us to go and call out this top bar distribution here, which is these other ones, this one here, and also this one here. They are the top bar distribution. So first of all, I think we are like forgetting one. There is one we are not calling out, which is this one here, which is the bottom bar here, and this top and this bottom bar is just running from this point to this point here. So let's now go and call it out. Now, if you don't have space to call out bar, as you can see, there is also an avenue for you to do something like this, to bring it out, to call out this one, right? To now call out this bar here, I can do this something like this now by bringing the line from here out, and then pointing it down here, and then bringing it out like this. Okay, that's fine. So I will now come here right now and then put my arrow from this point here, put my arrow here. Okay, put my arrow from here now, and then come here and then put my arrow here. Okay, so I can choose also to go now, come here right now and then extend this down here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I will now come here, and then since this is the bottom bar, which is still the main bottom bar, so that's my B1. So I'll come here right now and copy this first. But before I copy, I have to go and check first of all what length is this bar running. This is running at 1031. So divided by the spacing, so 1031 31 1037. I don't know. Let me check. Let me check again. Check again. That gives me 10. Okay, yeah, 31. So 1031. Okay. So this is a live project. So that's why I'm trying to check. I don't want to make mistake. Okay, divided by 175 spacing. That gives me 5.8, approximately 6. Okay, six number of bars are running of this bar is running between this place. Okay, so I'll go here right now, copy this right now, COC or CP, anyone is copy, and then come here and place this here, and then type this right now to be 6 numbers of that bar with that shape is running. Okay, and then then the bar mark should be 11 because it has different length and all that. Okay, 11, that's fine. Okay, so right now I'm now go again right now, and I can call out the bottom bar. Okay, most people can also, there's also a way for you to do, if you want to use this arrow, you can also go and use this way also here by using this principle here. Also, this is also good. This principle too is also good by making this one not to be thick. Okay, by doing it this way, it's also nice this way. Okay, this one is also fine. Then also I can also go, then let's now go and call out the top bar distribution, which I will now go again right now and then call out. Okay, go out now and call out this right now, this point by picking it here and then calling it out from this point right now and keep this here. Okay, and then copying my arrowhead going that direction. CP is copy, and then come here and pick this and put this here. Okay, and then come here right now and then dimension first to check the spacing at which this top bar distribution is running, which is running between 2, 3, 5, 8 along the line. So that's the 2, 3, 5, 8 divided by the spacing. Both the bottom bar and the top bar have the same spacing of bars, so that's why I'm using that 175. So this gives me 38.4. That gives me approximately 39. So I'll go here right now, and since this is a top bar distribution, which is T2, so I'll come here first and copy this one first. I've already known the number of bar that is running there, so I'll just go and paste this here first. Then change it first to the value, which is 14. Okay, and then call it T2, and check my last bar mark, which is 11. So this one will be 12. Okay, and then I'll shift it backward a bit because it's trying to come out from the line. Okay, I'll backward. Okay, that's nice. So I'll now go again right now, I'll enter and then go and then call out this other one here, this one here. Okay, so I can choose to call out this one from this point here, out from here to this place here. Okay, and call this out. Okay, and then go over again right now and copy this CO or CP, and then copy this from here right now, and then go over here and paste this here to point it out, and then go and copy this T2. First of all, I'll have to go and check how many number of bar is running between this top bar distribution. Okay, that gives me 2287. Okay, so 2287, that's the length. 87 divided by the spacing, which is 175. That gives me equals to 30 point something, that's 14 approximately. Okay, so always approximate when that means they are almost the same thing, but the format could change. So I'll just copy right now and then put that here. Okay, now if you look at these two bars, they have the same shape, so I can choose to leave it at the same bar mark 12 because they have the same shape as you can see there, so that's fine. Okay, so let's now check again if there is anyone we have not done. As you can see, we have done every bars and cut them out. So right now, let's now begin to now put in these values here, which is the bars running in that area. So it's always good to put it around the bars so that it will be able to read very fast on site. So I'll put this one here right now, and this one says how many number is 6. So I'll come here right now and put here 6. Okay, so I'll come here right now and put inside here 6. Okay, so okay, I'll put this here and then put this here. That's fine. So again, this other one here, where's the bar? This other, let me just carry this one down a bit. Okay, that's fine. Now this other one here right now, this other one here, this one here, or let me just do this one here. This one here says it's 18, as you can see it here. So I'll come here right now, copy this CO or CP, and copy this right now, come here and here, paste it on that bar and say this 18. Okay, basically this one is used with if you have a very continuous slab. You can use this as if you can see this one right now. You can see, yeah, this is how it like from the sample below to if you check our sample here, this sample below here for this stone bridge template, this sample tells you that if you have a bar running in a very continuous way, you should have, as you can see, that this bar right now, this bar is running between this panel and between this panel and this panel. So you can, that's why we have it placed here and placed here. So it tells you that this bar is running from here to here, that the bar that is to contain on this panel is 12, and here to contain is a 19. That's why I say you need this template to be able to know all this. Okay, but for this other one right now, for this building which you are using as an example to like show you this, it doesn't have a very long continuous panels. That's why we cannot show that. Okay, but for we can also show that because this bar right now is running between this panel and this panel. So right now, just go right now to the sample here and copy a bar like that. Where's the bar right now? Okay, let me just say the bar. Okay, I can choose to copy this one here first, copy this one here, and I'll show you how to turn that right now to fit in what we have. Okay, so I'll copy this right now and then go over here. So since we already have this template, there's no need for you to like to be reasoning what to do, since you already have how it will look like. Okay, so I'll just go right now and then type rotate. Okay, that's fine, and then turn this right now to this. Okay, okay, you can see right now. So I can now come here right now and then place this, copy this one right now. Since it's running two panels, let me just copy this right now and then come here first and place this somewhere here, and I can choose to take this bar. Where's this bar here. Okay, I already have this bar here, so there's no need for this bar. Sorry, that's a mistake. Okay, yeah, I already have that bar here. This is the bar here. Okay, so right now, let me now know how many bars is running between just the panel alone. So this is 39.2939. So I'll just say 2939 divided by 175. That gives me C17. So I'll come here. Okay, that's already 17. So I'll come again and check it again right now from here to here. How many bars is running there from here to here? This gives me 3592. So 3592 divided by 175. That gives me what? 21. That's 25. 20.5. 45, that's 21 approximately. So I'll just say 21 here and put here. Okay, actually these ones I'm doing right, these ones I'm putting right now, they are not that necessary, but if you're doing for a very large massive slab detailing, it is very necessary, because it will help anyone aside to be able to understand your slab detailing very well, and to know how many bars that will contain on each panel. Okay, so since these two panels are the same thing, I'll just copy this right now, and then copy it just now, and then place this here. Okay, so you can see how this now makes your drawing look very standard when you put all these features. That's why this template is here, for you to be able to know how to draw, or how to detail perfectly. So if you want this template, I would say you check on the link down below and download that. Okay, although it is not free, but it will help you a lot. Okay, so right now you can see that we are done with our slab detailing. As you can see, this is the part two, which is the slab detailing continuation, and we have come to the end of the slab detailing. Okay, so in our next on the part 3 right now, I will cut a section which I'll show you as the sample is on this template. As you can see it here, I'll show you how to cut a good slab section. As you can see from the sample from this template that came with this Stonebridge template, you can see how this slab section look like. So I'll show you the principles on how to cut a section. That will be on the part 3 of this slab detailing class, which I'm telling you right now. Okay, so right now let me just go and put my slab detailing into sheet for printing, pending on when I will do the part 3 for the slab section. But we are done with the slab detailing. Now we need to cut a section maybe around here or around here, and then show how the bars is inside the slab. We will have to show the top bar and the bottom bar, and also I'll also show you how this T1 and then T2 simply means, which I will cut the bar where it will show all these B1, B2, and T1, T2, and I'll show you in the session how it looks like. Okay, so let me just go and put the bar first under inside the template here. So I think this is the slab detailing here. Okay, I think last time we put the slab into template, so all what we have done just there, will just update now. Okay, right now, as you can see there right now, so this is now our finished work for the slab, pending when we do our slab section, where we can paste it around here or here. Okay, so right now let me just go and palm this place here, and position my slab very well. Okay, so this thing is not coming out. Let me just bring this one upward here, near where it. Okay, that's fine, and then palm it back down. Okay, so I've already shown you before how to scale or how to put your drawing into this place. So if in case you missed all this video, check on the link down below and watch all the parts, or check on Google about Stonebridge template and watch all the videos on Stonebridge template, and how to use it. Now if you want to get this template, I would say you check on the link down below, and then download that, or buy it from the link, or you also go to Google and then search about the template, and then you can also buy from the link that you see on Google. Okay, so right now I would say that we have come to the end of this part 2, which is the slab detailing. So on the part 3 will be on the how to show you on how to cut slab section and also detail a slab section. Okay, so if maybe you want to support our channel, I would say that you can just use our free link there and just support our channel, because we want to have we want to build a website this year so that we can also sell you better. Okay, so right now, thank you so much. And if maybe you want a special training, there is what we call a KDL mentorship training or class. If maybe you want to join our or let me say you want us to train you specially on design of structural elements and also building, I would say that you can just enroll for our 4-week special training. It is not free. Currently we are on discount, and we are giving it at $300, which you can pay 2 times installment of payment. And I'll tell you that you will learn a lot, because we will teach you different things like pie design, which we're not teaching here on our channel, on our free channel. And we also teach you how to design like a gallery study, like a gallery stadium and all that, and different kind of complex structure, reservoirs, culverts, and bridges and all that, using this software Protastructure, and you will learn a lot about that. To see about that, you can check the course outline on the link down below that says Ekidel Mentorship Class. Check on the link and then read about the course outlines and the things that you will learn and the things that you will learn at the end of the 4 weeks. Okay, so right now we love you so much and God bless you, and then goodbye, and then we look out for the next, which is the part 3 of this slab, which is to call the section. Okay, so goodbye, we love you, and then bye.